Everybody knows you be on it. Everybody knows you be.
What's up, guys? I am back with another video. And I got a mini pack opening. Shout out to my friend Madden Kill. I'm gonna flash his channel up right now. Go subscribe to his channel. And I'm about to be opening 10 packs. And I'm about to just break through these real quick. I don't know what this pack is. Oh, this is a quick sell pack. Alright, so I'm gonna open these one by one. Alright, that was trash. Let's do another one. Okay. Another 1K, that's nice. Oh, 7,500. That was trash. So, what was I about to say? Go check out Road to a Million. Well, not Road to a Million. Oh, 15K, let's go. Alright, go check out my Road to 99 overall video, NBA Live Mobile. I just uploaded that. It's fire. Alright, we're just gonna keep rolling through these quick sell packs. The most we've pulled so far was 15K. I'm gonna do another one. That was trash. Alright, what is this? Pro packs. Alright, give me something crazy. Bang! Nerlens Noel. What kind of name is Nerlens? Oh, I'm gonna name my kid Nerlens. Alright. Bang. Joakim Noah is trash. Alright, these signature packs now. This is what I've been waiting for. I'm gonna cover up the screen. Bang. Oh! We get Paul George, 87 overall. Let's go. And then we got the next one. Let me cover up the screen. And we get, what is his name? Al Horford. So I'm about to look up these prices real quick. So Al Horford. Alright, so Al Horford. Bro, can I put a space? Space. This is stupid. Horford. $85 overall. Hopefully he goes for a lot. Ooh. 100K. I think he goes for 100K. Alright. So I'm not going to sell that. So who else did I get? I got Paul George. Paul George. Alright, let's see how much Paul George goes for. Oh, I was about to say. Alright, we're gonna do 150K. Okay, so we had two great pulls, so that's 200K right there, and then we still got we still got the other players. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe below. And I don't know. Peace out.